Yes.
Yes. Okay. Are you ready, Julia girl? It is?
Okay.
Yes, teacher. Yes. Okay. Where are you right now? Julia, where are you right now? Wait, me, Julia. Julia, where are you right now? You're in the house or no? Okay, so Julia, let us have this. Please answer this one, okay? People can buy meat, fruits, clothes, and toys here. It's market. Number one. What is your answer, Julia? Please read.
One. People
Okay, number one. People, people.
as this person.
Mhm.
He often has very big show
Mhm.
and points. His mouth red and his face blue and which face white is cloud.
Okay.
Is cloud.
Okay, people laugh at this person. He often has very big shoes and point his mouth red and his face is white. It is? Ta-da! Oh, very good. It's a, what is it, Julia? It's a
A cloud.
clown. Okay, next one, Julia. Number two, Julia.
He is very hard weather is in the table online. Is uh is a cloud. It, no, no, no.
It is. This is very hot and we see it in the day,
Is
but not at night.
is
What is
that
it? It
is
is?
is that is
Mm-hmm.
that
It's the sun. Oh, the sun is very hot, Julia. Sun. Oh, number three, Julia. Read number three.
is a pension in some for like and a some can fish can and some had a parrot. Parrot is a farmer.
Mm-hmm. This is a person in a story who lives in a boat, sometimes find treasure, and sometimes has a parrot. What is this, Julia? It's a,
Is a
Julia.
farm. Is a farm.
It's a pirate. It's a pirate. Okay, four. Okay.
The green white or yeah right come from them is a cloud. Clouds.
Okay.
Clouds.
These are white or gray. Rain comes from them.
Is uh
Okay. It's
max
a
cloud.
clouds. Very good. Number five, five. Very good. Very good. Five.
Cloud. Is cloud. Children run song and play game in street. place with is the market.
Okay. Children run, shout, and play games in this place, which is outside. Which is outside? It's a
Market.
playground. Okay, number 6, Julia.
Elephant on his feet, often top, back, tail, and animal.
Okay, this place often has fields of fruit
It's
or
fast.
vegetables, and animals often live there.
It's
It
fast.
is
It's fast.
farm. Very good. It's a farm. Okay. Okay, this one. You look at Julia. You say if it's yes or no. Okay.
Two boys are swimming in water. No,
Yes or no?
no.
Okay. No, they are not swimming in the water. Okay. Number
The
1.
the tail and God no in the is yes,
Mm,
yes.
okay. Next, number 2.
The sun grow in steam or the on is no.
Okay. So the snowman is sitting under the umbrella. It
It's
is?
no.
It's no. 3.
One of the children in having a shop is no.
One of the children is having a shower. It's no. Okay, 4.
The house and has a icon of the door is no.
Okay, no. Okay, the house has a balcony above the, look at this. There's a balcony here, here. Look at wait a minute. Oh,
So
there's a
tell
balcony. There's a, Julia, there's a balcony here. This is the balcony. Okay, number 5.
the table go into ring some orange juice
Okay, the taller girl is
is
drinking some
no.
orange juice. True, yes or no?
No.
Okay, no. Okay, what is that? Who is drinking a juice? Who is
The
drinking a
starter
juice?
by where the car is yes.
The shorter boy is wearing the longest scarf. Okay, yes. What is the color of the scarf of this boy? What is the color of the scarf of this boy? What is the color of the scarf? What is the color of the scarf of this boy? Of this boy? What is the color of the scarf? What is the color of the scarf? Julia, what is the color of the skirt of this boy? Color of the scarf. It is?
Is
The color is?
his color is orange.
Color is?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, it is orange. Okay, now, please try to answer. Did you like the food, Julia? What is the answer?
Yeah, I will eat
Okay,
B.
letter
Eat
A,
B.
B, or C?
B.
Okay. Answer is most of it was good. Okay. 2. Did you understand the people? Did you
Is
understand
the
the people?
older star and people is something.
Did you answer?
B.
Okay. It is letter B sometimes. What did you see there, Julia? What did you see there, Julia?
It is the cinema in is the is I see the press very morning.
Okay. It's the cinema in the town. What did you see there? Okay, actually your answer is big park, zoo, and some shops. Okay, next one. Okay, 4. Were you afraid in the plane, Julia?
Is
Were you afraid in the plane? Were you afraid in the plane?
is uh
A, B, or C?
is uh
It's a A. Were you afraid in the plane? Letter A. Okay, Julia. What did you like best about the holiday, Julia? What did you like best about the holiday, Julia? What did you like best about the holiday, Julia? Yes,
is
Julia, what did you like best about the holiday? A, B, or
is
C?
C.
C. Okay, it's A. The weather teacher because it was always sunny. Oh, the weather because it was always sunny, teacher, and it's sunny. Okay. Are you
Is
happy
C.
to be home again? Are you happy to be home again? Are you happy to be home again?
Is I hope it's B. B.
Okay, it is.
B.
Okay. Are you happy A, B, or C?
B.
Okay, letter C. Yes, but I'd like to go there one day. Okay, this one. Please try to answer. What is the answer number 1? Okay, read the story, Julia. Can you read the story, Julia?
I love fish and the flag. I often crack a fish. Then my mom,
Mm-hmm.
mom, mom, um, um, mom, sass, So,
Okay, it is
cook wood in and we Cô ơi. I con hả lớp phải không chỉ giùm tôi cái này and is we
Okay, please wait, and Julia, please read again, Julia. Read so teacher can hear again. I love.
chị Dung đi cô cũng thấy thấy cô học online mấy đứa we and we dạ thôi gì mà đúng ra is and we are is AIT it.
Okay, very good. Please read first. Read. I love fishing. Again, Julia. Julia, please read. Julia, read. Who is with you? You have your sister or brother? Brother? Julia, brother? Julia?
Chicken.
Okay, please, Julia. Listen, Julia, listen. Read all. I love fishing. Go. Read.
I love fishing and the last I on friend class fish then my mom cooks it and we ask it for during boot last Saturday in this class cat and fish is what we and chicken.
It was wet and
Chicken.
windy. It was wet and windy.
Windy.
Okay, correct. Continue. I went. Continue reading.
I went home. I said hello to me button and put my fishing part on the chicken.
And put my fishing bag on the blank in the kitchen. On the chicken, on the floor in the kitchen. Okay. Okay, continue. Then, continue.
Is then the pasta tomorrow was in my bathroom. See?
Opened.
She. Louder.
It's laughed. Laugh. Julia, laugh. Okay, it's laugh. Okay, it's laugh.
And say, let's tap and see. See, open is carefully or seas of the sea sand The grain of fast gain grain food to the sea. It is to the I I push the corn from in a pail of water with some small rock,
Rocks.
when when we when we when gì má when we gì đó mình chưa đọc xong when
We sat down
have to have our
dinner.
dinner. I was hungry. We have chicken. We had chicken after dinner. Mom side go up the and cut some fish. Your food in hungry too, and I did.
Okay. So yeah, number 6 is chicken. Okay, please read this one. Wait. Ilya.
Nước miếng này bỏ thì cười quá.
Okay, let us read this, Julia. Are you with me? Oh, you have cousins? Is that your brother or cousin? Hello.
That's your brother. Hello.
Your brother?
Cô kêu hello brother.
That's your brother?
Hồi nãy chị em có test cơm đâu. Em thấy rồi. Thì em có test cơm.
What is that?
It's brother.
Huh? What is that, Julia? Why are you laughing, Julia?
It's brother.
Your brother? Brother,
Yes.
Julia?
Yes.
How old is your brother?
How old is your brother? How old is your brother?
How old is your brother? How old?
It's 12.
12. Hi. What is the name? What is the name?
Hello.
No, show me your face, Julia.
Mình hướng ở trong đây nè. Kệ đi, Dung đi, cô thấy trơn rồi.
Hi. How are you? Okay, Julia.
Yên tâm, em test camera rồi. Em test rồi. Cô núa nữa rồi chứ em test rồi. Em test rồi. Tự nhiên chạy dữ. Test camera rồi lo đi, trừ em test tới cuối video rồi nè, em test rồi nè.
Julia.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, please read. Catch any fish. Catch any fish.
Catch any fish.
Louder, Julia. Catch any fish.
Catch any fish.
Wet.
Wet.
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Okay. Started.
Okay.
Loft. Okay, opened. Opened.
Open. Kêu Hạnh đừng có nhé nữa.
Opened.
Open. Thì cái game gì Hà cũng được mà. Em có ứng dụng đi mà.
Jumped.
Rất cool mà là chi.
Jumped.
Rất cool mà. Trời ơi. Thì click đó gì Hà.
Okay. Water.
Is your brother
Angry.
angry?
Catch.
Can
Outside.
outside.
Okay. Now, what do you think?
What
Okay. Hey, listen. Okay, this is about, okay.
is in the bar?
What did they eat for dinner? What did the family Julia eat for dinner? It's the family eat what?
Family is có nhiều người.
Eat what, Julia?
Tắt cam rồi lo
Julia,
đi.
the
Tắt cam
family
rồi.
eat
Chị tắt
what?
cam rồi. Chị tắt rồi.
Eat
Chị tắt cam rồi. Chị còn tiếng.
fish, Julia. The family
Nghe.
eat fish for dinner. Okay. Now, let us have here Julia. What do you think, Julia, is the best name of the story? What do you
Is
think, Julia, is the best name of the story?
không biết nữa. Is I catch something danger. Is letter B.
Okay, letter B. I catch something different. Again, different.
Không hiểu mà tôi
Okay,
hiểu.
letter B. Are you
B.
sure? Oh, very good. It's letter B. This one. Let us hear a story about Sally. Can you please read the story? Or read now.
My name Sally. Last Saturday, Bill, my favorite uncle, came to see us. He had a big syrup pot in his car. He picked it up carefully and carried it to who our garden was in the park. We what? Mẹ rồi.
We ask.
Mẹ rồi. Mẹ rồi. Mẹ rồi.
Continue, Julia, continue. He
Is
he
we ask what
he said,
he has what do you think my brother John sai 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 xong tét con mèo xong Joy and I shall some case no bill side some case no no bill side is noise tax we have lương cái chó chị
it is
We had lunch and 10 bills. It's like to go shopping now.
Okay, look at here, Sally. Read, Julia. Julia, listen to teacher. Favorite. Julia, favorite. Julia, listen, Julia. Favorite.
Favorite.
Came. Came. It's not come, it's came. Julia, came. Julia, came. Julia, came. Julia, where are you, Julia? Julia came.
Okay. Come.
It's not come. Came. Came. Came.
Cam.
It's not came. It's came. Came.
Cam.
Where?
Where?
Pick. Pick.
Pick.
Carefully. Carefully. Carried. Carried. Carried the box. Carried. Julia. Carried. Julia. Please read, Julia. Garden.
Theo chiếc mẹ.
Julia. Garden.
Friday.
Okay. Ask. Ask.
Ask.
Okay. This one.
Ask.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Lunch. Okay.
Lunch.
Shopping.
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 Now.
Now.
Okay. Cakes.
Cake.
Toys.
Toy.
Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay.
Chết con rồi.
Where is your brother, Julia? Open your camera. Okay. After lunch, Bill wanted to blank. What is the answer? After lunch, Bill wanted to blank. What is the answer, Julia? Bill wanted to? After lunch, Bill wanted to what? After lunch,
No, go shop is go shopping now. Go shopping.
okay, go shopping. Very good. Bill went to the shop in the blank that afternoon.
Bill went to the shop in Robertson.
Okay, okay. The second shop Bill went, it was the what shop, Julia? What kind of shop? It was a what shop? It was a pet, Julia. It was a pet shop. The second shop is a pet shop. Number 5. The blank box was the biggest box. The blank box was the biggest box. The what? What, Julia? The The third box was the biggest box. Okay, number 6, Julia, what is the answer for number 6? Julia, number 6, what is the answer for number 6? Okay. The black carried the boxes back to Sally's house. The black carried boxes back to Sally's
Is
Number 6, what is the answer?
is very interesting. Cái đó được bây giờ. Mấy con này. Của đâu đó. Của được.
House. Blanc carried the boxes back to Sally's house. What is the answer? It is? The answer is what? Number?
Is very interesting. Very interesting.
Okay, it's Uncle Bill carried the boxes. Okay. They opened the boxes. They opened all the boxes in Sally's what? In Sally's number 7. Answer. What is the answer number 7, Julia? In Sally's?
Garden.
Garden. Inside the square box was a, what is inside the square box? It was?
Bật cô mày nghe.
The square box inside the square box was what?
Giờ qua bó qua
White, beautiful. White. Okay, it's a beautiful white.
That.
Oh, number 9. Inside the two.
In the two round ones.
Okay.
Round.
Okay, 10. The children were happy because they eat blanc.
Any morning.
Okay.
No.
They
Is
eat
the
eggs
is
for breakfast every morning. Okay. Okay, Sally. Sally, sorry, Julia. Okay, Julia, teacher don't have enough time. So I will see you, Julia, on tomorrow. Okay, sorry, Julia. No. On Friday. I will see you on Friday. Okay. See you on Friday. Okay. I will see you on Friday, Julia. Okay. Bye-bye. See you on Friday. Oh, where's your brother?
Bye, teacher.
Where's your brother?